In a small village, high on a mountain, lived a magician. He lived in a very small house, but he was a very mighty magician. He didn't look mighty. He was just a little man with a large nose, short legs, and hairy toes. He could even look friendly. Little children weren't afraid of him because they didn't know any better. But the adults shook their fists behind his back, cursed him, and wished their curses would work. But you cannot curse a mighty magician if you are just an ordinary person without magic. As small as his house was, it was full of cages. They hung on the walls. They hung down from the rafters in the ceiling, stood on top of cupboards, lined shelves, piled on chairs, and stacked on tables. The cages covered the floor with only narrow pathways between them, and they filled all the corners of the room. From every cage gazed a sad and anxious bird. The magician watched the birds hop from perch to perch and press against the bars of their prison and flutter their wings in vain. "What pretty treasures you all are! Hop about, my little ones. I know you are happy to be with me." And he'd laugh, a horrid laugh. The little birds looked at him with their sad eyes and made no sound. Each one had once been a human being, a person who'd gone missing from this village or vanished from that. Men and women, old and young, who disappeared from castle and city, from field or forest, from near and far. The magician had turned them all into birds, caught them and locked them into a cage and carried them off to his little house on the mountain.